Just a few months ago, you think you could have given me green banana porridge and me drink that? I absolutely hated green banana porridge, and tell you why. I don't like the idea of making green banana porridge altogether by itself with just milk and spices. Nope, that's a no-no for me. So this is how I make my green banana porridge. Comment below and let me know what you had to your green banana porridge or how you make your green banana porridge. So first I start off by slicing my bananas, soaking my oats, and I also add peanuts to my porridge. Yes, I add peanuts. So I add everything to my blender and I blend until it is smooth. I love myself a smooth green banana porridge. And what I also love to do is I also love to ensure that my stove is on its lowest. So I love to add